Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you use LinkedIn Learning. So I'm going to walk you through the complete tutorial on LinkedIn Learning and how you can utilize it to benefit in your career. So let's get into the video. So what you have to do is first log into LinkedIn Learning portal. So just search LinkedIn. If you Google LinkedIn Learning, and you can just get to their website straight away. So that's the one. All right. So once you get to their website, so now before I proceed, just want to clarify. So what is actually LinkedIn Learning? So for those who don't know, like LinkedIn Learning is a massive online course platform. So they have a wide ranges of courses, like video courses that are being taught by industry experts, where you can learn new skills and topics, like, and also you will receive like certification after you complete each courses. And it's also linked to your LinkedIn account as well, which you can link your certifications to your account and benefit. So it's a very good way to learn new skills and upgrade your knowledge and your talent as well. So having that said, so let's get into the video. So now once you get to the portal, what you have to do, the first step is like you need to create an account. So you need an account to be able to access the courses. So what you have to do is, you once you get in, click on sign in, or yeah, you can click on sign in. So what you can do here is, so basically if you're already on LinkedIn, so what you can do is you can just sign in using your LinkedIn credentials, because your LinkedIn personal account is connected to LinkedIn Learning. So you can use that way. Or if you don't have a LinkedIn account, what you can do is you can actually create and join LinkedIn, and then you can use that credentials. So it's that, in that way it's pretty much easier to access it. So I do have a LinkedIn account, so I'm just going to log in using my LinkedIn credentials. All right. If you need help with joining LinkedIn, signing up with LinkedIn, we have separate videos covering that topic in detail in our channel, and you can have a look through it. So let me log into my LinkedIn Learning portal. All right. So this is what you'll see once you log in using your credentials. So this is a screen. You'll see something similar to this. So what happens is, since okay, since your account is, I mean, your LinkedIn account is connected to this learning platform. So what happens is, based on your LinkedIn profile, you will have like suggestions, like LinkedIn will suggest you some courses which you can have a look and access. So that's one option, one way you can browse the courses. But if you see, mostly in general, like there are three broad categories of courses available, like being provided. Those are actually three categories, that is mostly business, creative, and technology. So these three are the main categories where you can find courses. So what you can do is you can browse for courses. If you click on this option here, you'll see, if you go to business, you'll see a wide range of subtopics here. You can click on it and there'll be wide range of courses. Or you can browse courses according to your profession or your role here, like project manager, sales manager, like the way. Or if you are in a creative industry, so creative person, so you can browse through creative, and you can look for courses here. And the same thing, you have a lot of topics here, and each topic has relevant courses. And or lastly, technology. So if you go to technology category, you will see a lot of courses as well here. So what you can do, you can just browse through all these. And and also you have the option to search here on a search bar. If you are looking for a specific course or a specific, anything specific, you can search here and look for it. So if you click on it, you will see wide range of courses being offered. So you can have a look, and then yep, you can try and try learn if you want to. So that's one option. So once you have created the account, you can search for courses. All right. So this is what you can see, all these are suggested courses, so you can have a look. And also probably I will go through with this page here. So here, if you see, okay, this is where you browse your course, and this is where you can search for courses. And here you can access all your learning history. So if you click on this my learning, you will see all your courses that you're currently doing here, or if you go to your learning history, you can see all the courses that you have done. So since I've not done anything at the moment, so there's nothing here. And then this is your notification bar, and here if you click on your profile picture, you can go to your libraries. This is your library. Actually, we are on our library. That's the one. And you can set your goals if you want, what are, if you are trying to reach something, your career goals, whatever is thing. You can add your skills. So if you add skills, then if you add more skills here, then LinkedIn will suggest you more courses based on your current skills. So those informations you have. And you have your settings. If you want to change any settings, you can go to your settings. And also if you want to access your LinkedIn personal profile, you can use this and access your LinkedIn personal profile. So those things. So what you can do, so you can browse through all these and find any relevant courses that you think will help you. So once you're done, and you let's say if you have completed a course and you're done with it, then what you can do, and what you will see is, like, if you go to certifications, all right, if you see certifications, and here these are some of the certification courses. So if you see, they are like from IBM, from IBM, Amazon, all these, they are like some reputed brands, and they have their courses, and you can also do them as well. Try, if you're interested, you can have a look at them, those things. And also if you want to, if you are looking for any, once you have completed a course, and if you're looking for your certification, you can find it. If you go to your library, here under learning history, you should see all the courses that you have done and completed. And you should also have the option to access the certificates, and these certificates you can download it, and you can submit it in other platforms. And also you can also attach it to your LinkedIn profile as well. So those things, so it's really helps you to expand your skills and talents. So those things. And also I should have mentioned these at the beginning. And when you're creating an account in LinkedIn Learning, just make sure that you have the option of a free 1 month access, and that after 1 month you will be asked to pay for it. So as you have seen, like you have the option to monthly, for a monthly payment, or an annual subscription. So it's actually a subscription, so you can do a monthly subscription or annual subscription based on your preference. So that's it. And what once you're subscribed, then you have free access to all these courses, and you are free to do each one of them. And they are all video courses. You can just open one, I can show you. And this, and here, yep. So those are the of course, and that's the subtopics here. And if you can complete, they are mostly all video type. That's the course details. And you can, and if you open a course, and you can see the details about the course, and also what are the skills being covered on that. And also you will have reviews, and you can see like fellow people who have done this course, and you can check for reviews. Just you want to make sure that if you are not quite unsure if it's suitable or good for you, so you can just have a look here and see, and look for reviews and read the reviews. And then you can make up your mind whether you're going to do it or not. And you'll have all the under the tabs here, under next to the overview tab, you'll have question and answers here, where people would have answered questions. You can check all these things, and you can also post your questions. All right. And then you'll have a transcript version of the quizzes from the of the video as well. So all these things, so once you have completed, and you can get your certification after that. So it's basically, it's a very handy and useful course provider, and it's a very nice platform for you to expand your talent and your skills. And this will also reflect on your LinkedIn profile. So basically that's pretty much it is. I hope you'll have I hope this video will be useful for you guys. I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.